all right for today. There you go. So we are waiting for the taxi going to beach. And the weather is good. And I like it. Perfect. So a must needed break. Here's the brief information about the beach where we went. So about the beach is considered one of the famous beaches, which is classified among the beaches that are open to public around the clock. It has no entries, gates or entry fees. This park extends over an area of about 5 hectares and of 3 kilometers inland on a beautiful and sand beach. What about the location? The Mamzar Open Beach is located in Deira near Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum Humanitarian and Charity Establishment behind Al Shabab Club. So what I like most about this place is very calm, quiet, and very safe. Aside from that, the panoramic view and the sunrise. Wow, it's perfect. So guys, what are you waiting for?
Watch the flames climb high into the night, calling out Father, oh, stand by and we will watch the flames burn over and on the mountainside. And if we should die tonight, we should all die together. Raise a glass of wine for the last time, holding out Father, oh, prepare as we will watch the flames burn over and on the mountainside. Desolation comes upon the sky. Now I see fire.
So I don't expect that this much beautiful beach I can see. And with all the panoramic view of the buildings of Al Nada.
Hollow soul, see fire. Whatever breeze, I hope that you remember me.
I like that flower. Okay, so I believe it's better to be back here with the food. With a lot of fruits freshly made by you. I'm looking forward. And we're gonna eat by hand. Oh my god, it's so nice. And maybe it's better to be back also during the cold weather. What do you think? So right now it's 8 o'clock in the morning and it's not that much hot. However, I can feel the bird in my
Comes upon the sky. Now I see fire inside the